Hello, and welcome to the Metrics That Matter October 2014 release demonstration. My name is Jody Clark, and today I'm going to be talking about some improvements we've made to our Download All tools and data download reports to improve your self-sufficiency in MTM. The purpose of these enhancements was first to allow our admin users and reporting users to be able to easily leverage Microsoft Excel using some new data elements that we've exposed. Additionally, we wanted to incorporate our internal teams to equip them to easily troubleshoot and communicate details about your account. A few basics about these improvements we've made. First, we look to create consistency between all Download All tools for classes, courses, users, and instructors. Next, we also looked across all of our data download reports to identify opportunities for enhancements. And last, we tried to focus all the new data elements that we're exposing in these tools or reports on client requests to our technical team. Oftentimes we find that our clients ask for extracts of data and we have to go back to our technical team to get these extracts. So we tried to make sure that our exposure of the new data incorporated these fields that you often ask for. If you're not familiar with our Download All tool, it's located under the Administration tab, Schedule Training, and then within the search for classes, courses, or users and instructors. Upon clicking the search, I'm brought to be able to search through my courses, for example. Within the Download All button that you see below the search button, you can click that and you're prompted to download an extract of all courses, for example, into an Excel file. Upon opening that Excel file, you're presented with all of the data elements in Excel. If you're familiar with the Download All tool for courses, you'll see a few new fields that we've added. For example, External Course ID on the left allows you as an importing user, if you have an integration, to have visibility into the IDs that are being used in Metrics That Matter for all of your courses. I'll pause here on this slide so you're able to review all the new Download All fields that we've added. What I would recommend as a next step is go into your Metrics That Matter account and try the Download All tool for classes, courses, and users and instructors. You might find that some of these data elements you need for a business process, but you never had exposure into. So I'd recommend just discovering some of these new fields and identifying if there's opportunities to use them in the future. Moving on to our data download report. If you're not familiar with this report, it's found under the Reporting tab within Show All Reports, and you can narrow your results by import or export data, and you'll be presented with our tools for data download. The example I'll provide is our data download report that extracts learning data and test data. Upon executing the data download report, similar to the Download All tool, you're presented with an Excel output of the data that has been collected during the date range with any filters that have been applied. We tried to keep intact the data that you use because we know that this is a very popular report, but appended on the end a few additional data elements. This slide describes the new data fields that exist in the Learning Data Download Report, the Conference Data Download Report, the Test Data Download Report, and the Measurement Program Data Download. A few key takeaways about these new enhancements. First of all, before requesting data from your account team, check MTM to see if you have this information already available at your fingertips. Also, if you're one of those clients that love data, like I said before, take some time to explore the new data points available and identify if there's any improved efficiencies you can gain by using the new fields. If you're using the existing data download reports, a few things to keep in mind. If you have a custom data download, your report will not be affected by these new fields. So any existing process we wanted to make sure wouldn't be impacted by these enhancements. Second, if you've used our scheduling feature for the data download report, you will automatically start to receive these new columns. So something to be aware of if you're sharing this data download report with users. Thank you for your time in reviewing these enhancements today. Feel free to contact us with any additional questions that you have regarding these enhancements.